Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great and keeping motivated and going forward and staying focused on your goals. Like I've been saying all along, make sure this is the end of this week is the end of the fifth, 6th week, so keep that in mind. With that being said, I'm going to kind of explain what we're going to be working on for this week. So the technology essay, you had it since last week. I gave you the topic and it was basically one that we were supposed to do because of all the stuff we had been doing in class that had to do with technology. So write an essay stating your position on whether there is danger being so dependent on technology, and I have a video on that so that you can go over that one as well. You have to type it, MLA format. I put in a 10 size font instead of a 12 just because I wanted to have like more space for you to like write it in and not use too many pages for me to read at once, and so on and so forth. There's a rubric, there's the outline, and everything. So you can work on that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You turn it in. Then we're gonna start a research. Okay, the research is going to be an essay where you're going to investigate and explore a topic of your choice. And if you open this document right here, it has choose a topic. So you click on this right here, and it gives you a list of topics that you can choose from, and it can be anything. Some of them already have a question, some of them are just very broad and general, but you have to like choose one from here. Okay, once you choose the topic, then you come back over here. You're going to write a research question. So what do you want to know about your topic? You have to narrow it down. Like for example, if I was like going for cell phones in the classroom, what do I want to know about cell phones in the classroom? Well, what are the effects of cell phones in the classroom? And I would go on further on instruction. I could say on learning, on anything like that, on instruction and learning. Then once I have those two things, then I write a thesis statement. Now, a thesis statement is what is my claim, what is my assertion about the topic, and I will say things like cell phones in the classroom are detrimental because blah 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 blah. So that would be my thesis statement, and this is due on Friday. Any questions, let me know. If you want to go, let me see over here. Okay, so that's the proposal for the independent. Already start working on your dialectical. And the dialectical is pretty straightforward. You have to have 3 quotes that are figurative language. What type is it? And I gave you an example for all of it. So 1 for figurative language, 1 for characterization. Characterization, you have direct characterization, which is the author explicitly tells the reader what the character is like. So there can be someone saying like, this is Martha. Martha is very stubborn and very judgmental. Or you can have indirect characterization, which is through dialogue, action, or other characters' words, which would be like, Martha stomped her feet and walked out of the room, not budging. Right there, the author's not stating directly that she's stubborn, but with her actions, she's showing that she is. So that would be indirect characterization. And then the 3 quotes that kind of like correspond to the theme, and then that's it. You can make a copy, and then just fill this out and start filling this out. And then once you're done with it. Let's see what else. And so that's it for this week. I hope everyone's doing great. Remember, if you have any questions, if you have any problems, anything that, issues, turning in assignments, anything that you need me to know, just send me an email, send me a remind, and I will see what I can do. I will always help you out. So I don't want you to stress over anything. Just make sure that you're keeping a pace of your work and that you're like keeping that focus, because like I said, this is your future. We cannot get stuck in something and feel like it's never going to end, because it is. And I know that you guys are doing great. I received a lot of awesome assignments from you guys, as far as the letter and the phone app. It was very a good amount of quality work from you guys. So I'm very proud of you for staying afloat and doing what you have to do. Um, if you need me also to contact a counselor for you guys, the counselors are there for you. If you need at any point to talk to a counselor, just let me know. With that being said, I hope you have a great day, and just make sure that you let me know if you have any questions or concerns or issues. Bye. Have a great day.